Hello, welcome to Dr. Philip University. We have engaging and interesting video lectures on all medical, paramedical and dental subjects. Sign up now to watch our online courses from anywhere. See, as dentists and dental surgeons, we used to fabricate a lot of prosthetic material, just like the removed partial dentures and complete dentures. There what really happens is in the very acrylic base, over the acrylic base only teeth are being placed. In this acrylic base, sometimes when you finish everything and see, when you take the acrylic base and see, there will be bubbles entrapped. Some bubbles will be entrapped inside and you can see some bubbles are entrapped outside on the surface. So this entrapment of bubbles are voids. They are empty spaces, means voids. Entrapment of bubbles and empty spaces and voids inside the very base liners, whether it is external or internal, such entrapments of bubbles and voids are called as porosities. Porosities, fine. So depending upon their appearance, whether inside or outside, they are named as internal porosity and external porosity. So basically porosity, if the denture base has porosities, there are some problems. What are those problems? We will see. See, porosity in acrylic denture base. What are the problems are? Porosity affects the appearance of the denture base. That is it. Lots of bubbles and voids here and there gives an ununiform appearance. That is one problem. The second problem is porosity makes proper cleaning of the denture base impossible. Because of these bubbles and voids here, you can't properly clean it. Proper cleaning of the denture base becomes impossible. This is one of the technical problems really, because more than fabricating a denture, maintaining a denture is also an important problem. Now coming to the third thing, because of these porosities, porosity weakens the denture base. Yes, of course. Without any doubt, it weakens the denture base because porosities, at the spots of porosities, there won't be acrylic material. So absence of acrylic material reduces the strength of the denture base here, absolutely. So these are the three problems. Porosity affects the appearance of the denture base. Porosity makes proper cleaning of the denture base impossible. And porosity weakens the denture base. Thus, it weakens the strength of it reduces the strength of the denture base here. Yes. And now coming to the classic two types of porosities seen outside, seen inside, internal porosity, seen outside, external porosity. Internal porosity, external porosity. And some salient features about the internal porosity: voids and bubbles within the mass of the acrylic. That is the first visible thing. And why it is caused? Very important. The cause of internal porosity is due to vaporization of the monomer. Due to vaporization of the monomer, when the temperature of the resin increases above the boiling point of monomer. Absolutely, when the temperature goes above the boiling point of monomer, it evaporates. Hope you enjoyed watching. Gain full access to our video lectures by signing up on our website. Visit drphilipuniversity.com for more details.